Kani gade Gapati CCTV.
Ya kata masa drodor basiteo lantar la play perda hakhanyo trek mentau benai risau. Kebanyak adu ka arpo art trek mentau benai. Ya kani kata masa drodor kebalatip kum Meghalaya Arts Festival la pelong na katnat arts and culture jong sarkar jela. Hapalau jong State Central Library. La play kani kata masa do Menteri Sarkar ubakmi ya katnat arts and culture ubaroni Vilingdo. Hakabalai don langru ke director jong kani katnat ikong mat siudor war nongbri kinong drodor bapok mat kanong ba kibana ka jela hi borok kawai. Kapang pedang jong kani kata masa drodor kadai ke jing ai man siam kinong drodor kibana kani kanong ba. Hakani kata masa kidan kijing pendat ye kidor ba pero per kijing sna dor bat airong kijing odor da kideng ba kisiet kibalasna ha kidor jing kiyeng jan bat kiwe kat kum kejok jing start ke bamenta. Hakani kata masa la penya euro ye kini kidor ba kijing sna kibabon jan.
First, I would like to congratulate the director and all the staff and personnel of Arts and Culture Department, because I believe this is the second year you've been holding this arts exhibition, Local Inspiration. And I think it's an avenue to allow artists to showcase their talent they have, and then of course showcase their art. And then of course I've been hearing from Frederick and the other speaker, like we need more support from the government. So I've just taken over, I'm yet to get a hang of this department. So now that I've interacted with you, maybe we will be looking into this to ensure that those who have this talent of artistic talent are given the opportunity to showcase your talent and given a gallery. And I believe, I don't know, we are yet to come to a stage where your art can be, sold through auction and all that. I think we're yet to come to that stage. Maybe so till then, till all of you are so famous that you do not need a gallery, then I think we will ensure that we provide a gallery for visual arts, because of course when you become famous, you can do without us. But right now, maybe you need the support of the government.
Kani gade Gapati CCTV.